Ooh, beautiful, perfect. What is going on, guys? My name is Marcus, and this is the Reformation Woodshop. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the MortiseMate loose tenoning jig from Kreg. This jig makes it so that you can create professional quality hidden joints with a drill. Before I show you the jig, let me just give you the lowdown on loose tenon joinery. In a loose tenon joint, the tenon fits directly into mating mortises in your pieces. So you've cut out two symmetrical cavities inside of the boards that you're trying to glue together, and your loose tenon or your domino goes inside of those mortises to make a really strong, tight, fastener-free joint. This is one of the premier joinery methods, and before this guy, there wasn't a really cost-effective way to get it done. Kreg's MortiseMate is extremely approachable. I took it out of the box, put a few screws in, attached it directly to my table, and drilled a mortise immediately. I didn't read any instructions, it didn't require electricity, and a bonehead like me got it done in 5 minutes. With the MortiseMate carbide tipped cutter installed in your drill and its depth collar set to the mortise depth that you need, all you need to do is run your drill at full speed, swinging MortiseMate's handle left to right to cut the mortise's width. It's got an exclusive auto-indexing step-down mechanism, which is just all fancy words to say it steps down as you swivel from left to right and takes your cut deeper and deeper. It takes off a 1/16 with every pass until your full depth is reached, and one of the things that's great about it is that it has a pair of micro-adjustable screws that'll let you adjust the width of the mortise as desired for a tighter fit. That way, if you want no wiggle room with your tenon at all, you can get it. This jig is perfect for projects that are 1/2 inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. It's got an integrated plywood mini work surface, which makes the setup of your workpiece super easy to just clamp down right then and there. Although you could take that plywood piece off and build out an entire table for your MortiseMate, that's not out of the question. Because you're going to be making a lot of debris, it's got an 1.25 inch ID dust port, which will connect to most standard vacuums. Yeah, you're definitely going to want to use your vacuum for that. This MortiseMate is $299, which is a hefty price tag, but you're not going to find anything close to that in almost all other forms of manufactured joinery. I'm looking at you, Festool. The Festool Domino is by far the #1 product on the market that makes mortises, and it has been forever. The issue with the Festool Domino is that it's $1,000 more expensive than Kreg's MortiseMate. And on top of that, the Domino is a whole lot of machine and something that to some people could be kind of intimidating. So this guy is a great alternative if you don't want to go that route. The MortiseMate comes with a 6mm cutter, an 8mm cutter, and a 10mm cutter. Each individual cutter has a depth stop on it. That way you can back off and be more shallow, or you can go deeper if you need to. And each of those cutters have their coinciding loose tenons that go with them. Here I have the 6mm and the 10mm. After you've made a cut, it has this convenient little button on top to reset it. For different thicknesses of material, it's got this adjustment gauge here. And if you just untighten it, this guy will move up and down as you need it. If you do have a huge thick board like this, it's about 1 inch thick, you obviously don't want to put your tenon right here on the edge. You want it to be somewhere in the center. So you take that, move this adjustment gauge, and then on the side here, there's a little mark for where your mortise will be cut. Lock that bad boy in, and then now we can hit the side. And there you go. You've got mortises for tenons for 1 inch thick boards, AKA tabletops. To really demo this guy, I'm going to be doing 2 different projects. One is a shaker door made out of alder, and the second is going to be a maple plant stand. That way I can really test and see how this MortiseMate will apply in my woodworking projects. And all I need to do is mark a line where I want my tenon to be. That way these line up perfectly. You can put your tenon in there, and it should slip into that one. Put this tenon in here, and it should slip into there. Obviously, you're going to want to glue it, but, you know, bam! Now you have a nice little mid-century modern plant stand to make your monster look a little bit more bougie. Now all that was left to do was to see if these joints would fold under the weight of my fat head. And of course they did not, because they worked out great. On to the next project. Here's my door. I'm gonna mark the lines where my tenons will be. I've got slots for the panels that I'm gonna insert all I need is my joinery method. This is gonna make for the perfect shaker door. After letting it sit in the clamps and sanding it up a bit, here is my alder door. I am praying that my wife is not watching this video, because if she sees this, I'm gonna have to go ahead and reface our entire kitchen. So this rinky-dink little jig is an all-in-one business. If you post on Facebook Marketplace that you're refacing kitchen cabinets, you can do it with that guy. So that's pretty cool. I know I said 2 projects, but just as an extra. It's good for just basic glue ups. Normally I'd be using biscuits with this chicken charcuterie board, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some tenons inside of these joints to make it extra stout. Alright guys, let's hear it in the comment section down below. I want to know what you think about Kreg's MortiseMate. I'm really hoping that having joinery products that are cheap and affordable is the future, because stuff like this will help DIYers who are just used to driving screws straight through the face of boards, or using pocket holes, which are totally okay in my opinion, take their joinery and projects to the next level. Anyways, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. If you watched this video and thought to yourself, man, that was so good, how can I give this guy money to repay him? Then you're in luck. I have a lot of stuff listed on my Etsy store that you can buy to support the channel, so head on over to reformationwoodshop.etsy.com to grab something.